Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. It has been a while since I've recorded anything. It's been a little bit hectic, a little bit busy, and now I'm just adjusting something on my desk right now. So again, I hope you guys are doing well. It is the holiday season and I've been quite busy, like I said. It's just work-wise. Before I start off the video, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I want to do something a little bit different for this video. I want to show you guys my desk setup, just to have an idea of how I do my videos. I am not a big YouTuber or anything like that. I don't have all the fancy get-ups like the giant like pot lights and all that stuff. I do have a tripod. I have a decent good camera to help record videos and everything for you guys for good quality, and I have a light in front of me as well, kind of too. So I did want to show you my setup, how my vanity is kind of like, and you know, my workstation, my studio in a way. Also Deadpool, you know, Deadpool's gonna be here for the ride as well. You know, Christmas is here, the holidays are here, so he's gonna be joining us for this video. Anyways, but before we get started with the video, as always, make sure you give this a thumbs up if you do like this video, or if you want to see any other types of videos. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and let me know what you would like to see, and also if you like different videos as well, give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to ring that bell so you're notified when I do upload a new video, because it's not that consistent sometimes. Usually I do once a week, if not it's the following week. And don't forget to follow me on my social media handles, and I will now start the video. So as you guys saw in the beginning, you kind of have a glimpse of what my setup is kind of like. So as you guys can see, I do have a L-shaped desk. One side of my desk has my computer. It's my workstation to edit my videos. So in the corner is where I keep my camera, my mic, the lights, and everything is my recording studio. And just next to that, I have my favorite pop dolls right there. In case you guys don't know, I absolutely love Inuyasha and I love Sailor Moon. So in the previous video, I did mention about Inuyasha and like the new like series and everything, Yashahime, the Princess Half Demon, and I watched a couple of episodes. I didn't get a chance to watch the rest of them yet. I seen a little bit of spoilers, which is horrible of me, but I didn't want to watch one and just wait the next week. I'm kind of impatient like that. I kind of want just one binge watch it. And also I heard that most of the original cast from of Inuyasha is going to be voice acting this one. Oh my god, the fangirl in me right now. So as I said, on my left, I do have my favorite dolls right there. I do have some more behind me, and guys, in case you guys didn't notice for whatever reason, but these are my favorites right here. So just next to that, I do have my vanity, and basically it's my makeup brushes. There is a holder for my cotton pads, my precise pointed tip Q-tips for fixing my eyeliner, and a 3-tier organizer so I could put all my bottles, my foundations, all that stuff neatly and tidy, because before that, it was always neat, but then, you know, you take things out, put them back, and they kind of shift a little bit. With this, I can organize everything and keep it in the same place, so I don't have to worry about it. It is great. And I did get these two off of Amazon. I will probably leave a link or somewhere in the description so you guys can find out where I bought it from. And even like my brush holders, it's just like your usual pen holder, so it's nothing special about that. One of them I got from Kate Spade, another one was a gift, and the other one is literally like just glassware where I needed something at the time, so I just used it. So it was convenient. So as you guys can see, I have a lot of things on my 3-tier organizer right there. So I have my skincare on the first 2 tiers, and then the very bottom is where I usually keep my foundations and everything. So I just want to briefly talk about the tripod and lights and everything. Most of these things that you see here I've gotten off of Amazon. So I want something for my light to attach to, and I can adjust it accordingly. Originally it was on top of the camera, but it was only gonna stay stationary on the camera. I wasn't able to move it up and down or like relocate it where I wanted to. I figured that for the setup that I have, I needed something where it's a little bit more versatile, where I can move it up and down, side to side, depending on the situation, the scene, the lighting, and all that stuff. And also with my vanity mirror right here, it gives me like a little bit extra boost. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but like right here, it still looks lit, but I want a little bit more light. So that's why I didn't get a second one. So with that, it could give me a little bit more light as well, too bright right there. Or I could dim it down just enough and adjust it accordingly, which is really great. So this is why I wanted to have my ring light here, and then I have a more natural lighting kind of right there. So again, the tripod is from Amazon. The light's also from Amazon. The Manfrotto tripod for my camera, I mentioned in the previous video, I got it off of the Apple website. The Yeti mic is also off of Amazon, and my ring light is actually from a gift from 4 years ago from my boyfriend, and it's still working till today. I love this thing. So I've seen some reviews that some people didn't like it for whatever reason, but trust me, it's great. It's really great. I don't remember the name of it because it's been so long, and I think the name also has rubbed off. So in case you guys are wondering where I got my desk from, I did get it from the Staples website, and I saw pictures and everything. It didn't really do justice, but then when I did get it, I thought, okay, this could work. It's big enough where I can fit all this stuff here, and also I didn't have to kind of have buy two desks. This is why I liked the L desk, so I can shift from like 1 to 2 to 3 basically. So it does all of this. I do wish I bought a different chair though, but that's besides the point. But the thing is, like with the L desk, I could do a lot. I have a lot of space. Before it was just a long desk, and then I had my computer on one end and then my vanity, and I didn't really have any room to really film. I had to kind of like tuck in a little corner somewhere. So that is why I decided to go for an L desk, and you know what, I haven't looked back since. So if you were interested in having like everything all on the same table, I would definitely look at an L desk. Again, this is the Wallen desk, Wallen Timber Crest desk. I don't know if Staples still has it or not. I did kind of get it on sale a little bit, and if you do decide to get it, be warned that this thing is heavy. It is darn heavy. Instructions were good though, they were easy to follow. I think I had to have like 2 or 3 people kind of push into my car, and then I had to have my poor boyfriend take it out from the car by himself. We opened the box and we had to take each piece individually and then put it into the room, and I had to assemble it up here. So fair to say, it wasn't fun. Kind of was, kind of wasn't, but it was heavy. But I am very happy with the results. It's easy to clean, and you know what? Like, there's plenty of room here. So I am happy at that. So I don't really know if I should really talk about the computer too much. Really, it's self-explanatory. It's the iMac. It's a 21.5 inch. This is before they decide to like change it and everything. When did I get this? Back in July of this year. So I've had this for a while, and coming from a Windows user to a Apple user is definitely a big learning curve. But you know what? I'm very thankful for it, because without it I wouldn't be able to give you guys the videos that I wanted to, because my previous computer was about 10 years old and it barely kept up, and it kept crashing. So most of the time my videos would have been like every 2 weeks, or trying to edit the same one every 2 weeks, or even like once a month, because it kept crashing and everything. I was like, hey, I can't work like this anymore. I can't give you guys the quality that I want to give you, or even like the quantity as well. I can't give you guys any of that because my computer was so slow. So I'm very thankful for this computer. It was very, very expensive, but if it's gonna last for 10 plus years, it's worth it. But I think that is it, you guys. I just wanted to show you guys and talk to you guys about like my desk setup, maybe the accessories and everything that I have. maybe you're interested in looking into that, I will leave a link, descriptions and whatnot down there below, just so you guys can see and probably do some research yourself. Like, these are very, very useful to me, and it made my desk look so much more better. Usually it's a little bit messy after filming, during filming, getting ready and so forth, but it definitely helped quite a bit. And especially this tripod right here, I can adjust the light and move it wherever I want to, so it's great. But anyways, you guys, I hope you all have a great week, weekend, day, whenever you watch this video. And I hope you guys take care of yourselves, take care of your family, and you know what, I wish like this year was over right now because I'm sick and tired of all this stuff. But in any case, I wish you guys well, and I don't think this is the last video before Christmas, but I still wish you guys a happy holidays and Merry Christmas. And before you leave, make sure you check out these other 2 videos right here if you haven't done so already, which I don't know why you wouldn't have anyways, but I hope you do. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!